Incessant rains wreak havoc in Bishnupur district. Many places remain inundated. All vehicles remain off-road along National Highway 37 and Tongjai Maril Road due to the ongoing RNCM and TLS indefinite shutdown. And Modi government allocates 18 crore rupees for promotion of Manipuri language and Meitei Mayek. Hello, you're watching IS English News. I'm Jay Xiaoinam, giving you the news in detail. Incessant rain slashed various places in the state, including Bishnupur district, since last night. Many places have remained flooded, while the road connectivity have remained cut off at various places. The flood-affected areas are Ningthokong, Bishnupur, Thinungai, and Khoijuman Kulen, Nacho, among others. The main road at Singjamai Waikhom Laikai Makha and the road near Kakwa Oil Pump in Imphal West District have also remained inundated by flood water. On the other hand, the main road at ICICI Bank New Chekon, Hatta Road and Kodung Mamang have also been flooded. Notably, these places have been experiencing flash floods for a very long time. Meanwhile, all vehicular movements have been banned along Yairipok, Changamdabi, Malom, Jalianbi and Haitroipokpi Unity Bridge as the water level of Taubal River is rising gradually. Heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely at isolated places over Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura, among others. On the other hand, due to the incessant rains, landslides and mudslides occurred between Sinam and Sejang village under the jurisdiction of Kangpokpi district along National Highway 37. Excavator and machinery drivers felt apprehension to move out for clearing the debris due to an ongoing burn along this route. A massive landslide occurred at Awangkul area of Noni district along the National Highway. According to reports, clearing the mud debris is going to take some time. Vehicle movement has come to a standstill along National Highway 37 and Tongjai Maril Road due to an indefinite ban called by the Rongmei Naga Council Manipur. Taifei, Luangrian, Foothill, RNCM and TL. The total shutdown, which began at midnight on August 18, has led to widespread disruptions as Ban supporters have blocked roads by felling trees, placing boulders and burning tires. The shutdown is aimed at demanding an alternative administrative arrangement for the Noni district's minority Naga tribes, who are reportedly facing difficulties accessing their district headquarters due to the current administrative setup. The protest has caused all types of vehicles to cease operation on National Highway 37, which connects Imphal to Jiri, and on Tongjai Maril Road, which links Bishnupur to Khaupum and Rengpang. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh thanked Prime Minister Narendra Modi for giving due recognition to Manipuri language and its script by allocating a funding of 18 crore rupees as first installment for their conservation and promotion. Singh also thanked Rajya Sabha MP Maharat Sanajau Balai Semba for his continued efforts to elevate the status of Manipuri as a classical language. Singh said that besides the promotion of Meitei Lawn, the state government has been putting efforts to protect the tribal dialects spoken in the state with various courses, activities and programs. Maharat Sanajawale Semba took to microblogging site X and posted that Modi government has allocated 18 crore rupees as first installment to promote our language Manipuri and script, recognizing the use of this language and script more than 2000 years in the royal chronicles. Positively, the language is approaching very near to achieve classical language status. The centre has released the first installment of 18 crore rupees for the promotion of the state language Manipuri and the Manipuri script. The state language and the script is used in the over 2000-year-old royal chronicles in Manipur. Meanwhile, the Manipur Human Rights Commission MHRC Chief Justice U.B. Shah, who had planned to hold meeting with government's official and civil society organizations in None, has cancelled his trip due to burn and landslides along National Highway 37 or Imphal to Jiribam Road. The MHRC chairperson, along with his official team, accompanied by DIG Range 4, Ningshen Warngam, were en route to None. However, the team had to stop at Konglon Partu village due to burn and forge by the Rongmei Naga Council, Manipur, demanding an alternative administrative arrangement for the None district's minority Naga communities. The protesters who blocked the road informed that they are facing tremendous difficulties assessing their district headquarters as they have to visit Kangpokpi district, which is far away from their village, rather than None district, which is much closer to their village. Respecting their right to protest, raising their legitimate demands, the MHRC team returned back to Imphal and en route to Imphal. The MHRC team inspected Patsoy police station in Imphal West district. The MHRC chairperson advised the protesters to assert their grievances if any of the appropriate redressal forum. At Patsoy police station, MHRC team found that 537 cases are pending for investigation, including those cases which were registered way back in 1999. On learning of the cases pending at the police station, MHRC chairperson has spoken to IGP John Wan, asking him to look after the pending cases so that the police could expedite the investigation to arrive in a logical conclusion. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Ukraine, the Indian Foreign Ministry said on Monday, his first trip to the war-torn country since its conflict with Russia, and about a month after he met President Vladimir Putin in Moscow. Details of the trip will be shared later in the day. Western capitals have imposed sanctions on Moscow following its invasion of Ukraine in 2022, but friendly nations such as India and China have continued to trade with it. India has refrained from directly blaming Russia for what Moscow calls a special military operation, while urging the neighbors to resolve the conflict through dialogue and diplomacy. The US has raised concern over India's relationship with Russia, especially at a time when Washington has been seeking to strengthen ties with New Delhi as a potential counterweight to an ascendant China. Before we end, headlines once again. Incessant rains wreak havoc in Bishnupur district. Many places remain inundated. All vehicles remain off-road along National Highway 37 and Tongjai Maril Road due to the ongoing RNCM NTL's indefinite shutdown. And Modi government allocates 18 crore rupees for promotion of Manipuri language and Meitei Mayek. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching IS News.